Welcome to 22854 Cartier Terrace in the desirable community of Brambleton. This lovely inn unit has over 2,700 square feet. Please join us on a tour today. The main level of this home is what every buyer is looking for. It has the best open floor plan. This gourmet kitchen with the quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, built-in microwave, and gas stove will delight the pickiest cook. Adjacent to the kitchen is your living room and your dining room, where natural light streams through these beautiful windows. Don't miss out on this luxurious primary suite. We have recessed lighting, crown molding, 5 windows where the sunlight just streams through. The primary bathroom is like going to the spa. You have your own soaking tub, new shower, and dual vanities. Okay, now, one of my favorites is your walk-in closet that actually truly has room for 2 people. Upstairs, you'll find 2 additional bedrooms, also with recessed lighting, plenty of windows, and a hall bathroom with a new vanity and shower. The recreation room has multiple uses. It can be used as a guest bedroom, it can be used as an office. There is a full bathroom downstairs. Right outside the sliding door is a beautiful patio that has been landscaped by the owners. Thank you for watching this video. Please reach out to the Nellis Group for your own private tour.